I have Invt HMI and I want to download the program in this HMI. Okay, so we have software of HMI tool for this Invt HMI, and now I have created one program for to download in HMI. So whenever I click on download here, okay, so I have connected to HMI with USB cable. So selected here USB, and after click on download, so it's showing the error that is failed to connect to the touch screen, version mismatch or USB drive failure, or HMI model does not match. Okay, so let's see how to solve this problem. Actually this problem is due to USB driver. Okay, so USB driver is not installed properly. So let's see how to install this USB driver properly, and then how we can download this program to the HMI. Go to device manager. So in device manager you can see here in other devices you will have one yellow troubleshooting mark here. Okay, so this is due to our HMI. So if I remove the cable of HMI, USB cable which is connected to laptop, so it's now not showing now here. Okay, so again I am connecting this cable. Okay, so it's showing here in other devices. So just right click on this device, click on update driver, click on browse my computer for driver. Okay, so here give the path of your installed software. So go to program files 86. So in this you will have HMI tools folder. In HMI tool folder, go to USB, then drivers, and then driver. Okay, so select this path. Okay, you can see here this is the path in C drive, program files, then HMI tool, USB, drivers, and driver. Okay, click on next. Now it will try to install driver, and it will show Windows has successfully updated your driver. Okay, click on close. Now here you can see that troubleshooting mark is on. Okay, so it means we have successfully installed the driver of this USB. So here you can see that driver, industrial devices, human machine interface. This is the driver for this Invt HMI. Okay, now let's try to download. Click on download, select USB, download. Okay, so download is completed. In this way we can install the driver of this HMI.